Hello guys, if you're new to the channel, I want to wish you a hearty welcome. So today we will be installing the Serpentine belt on my 2006 VW Touareg. So just for the background, my previous belt shredded. I guess one because of age, and secondly because the engine has a miss, so it runs a bit rough. I drove it with the engine revving high in sport mode, and I think that kind of precipitated the belt disintegrating. So the routing is kind of should I say peculiar. So it's quite tricky. I don't think it's easy to figure it out without having a diagram or a photograph at hand. But that's the belt. It's double-sided, double-ribbed. I think I got this on eBay for a little bit cheaper than my local auto parts store was selling it. I think I got it for like $39, and the stores were asking for like $43 to $46. So make sure if you're getting this belt, you get the one that's double-sided. It has two sides to it. So I got the belt, came in today. In order to release the tensioner, you need a 16 millimeter wrench. I had a 17 millimeter, which worked, but the ideal would be a 16 millimeter. And then for the routing of the belt, it's kind of like I said, peculiar. It's not going to be what you expect. At the very end, I have everything routed, so you can look at the end of this video and you would see everything put in place. So like I said, a 17 millimeter would work to work on the Serpentine belt tensioner. But if you look at the top there, you see there's a threaded hole, which means there's a special, you can thread a screw in there, and then it will have the tensioner held apart from its normal position. And then you can proceed with installing the belt. Once more, that's the part number for the belt, and this is the V6. I believe 2006. I'm not sure if they had a diesel then, but in the United States, the most common ones you would find would be the V6 and the V8. So mine is the V6, and here I have everything threaded like it should be. As you can see, that's how the belt goes. What I found easy to do was thread everything, probably starting from the belt going behind the tensioner, and then you route everything else, and at the very last you go to that wheel which is between the tensioner and the alternator on the top right. That I found to be the perfect way to do it, and which made it easy. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped, and see you guys on the next one.